What's up, you beauties? I need your help. Now, a little bit of a backstory before I get into what I need your help with. Growing up, I was always the creative one. You know, we would do fun stuff and take pictures and Photoshop things. And I loved doing that. I loved doing that with my friends, you know, superimposing us really small or really big and just these fun Photoshop jobs. And it inspired an idea that I have that I need your help with. Nowadays, social media has become give the viewers what they want and not do what you enjoy doing. A lot of photographers, for example, are pigeonholed into one style of photography when what they really want to do is branch out and try everything. They're probably very good at everything, but because social media dictates what they want to see, they're limited to posting only certain things. I don't want to do that, and I've never wanted to do that. So here's my idea. I want you guys to challenge me. Now, what I mean by that is in the comments, suggest anything you want to see me do. And I mean anything. Could be a tutorial, simple as that. Could be a, I bet you can't blank. Daniel, do a video game themed photo shoot. Daniel, show us how you'd make a commercial for blank. Show us a typical day in your life. Make something really ordinary, very cool. I'm telling you guys right now, there are no limitations. Test me, challenge me. I wanna see if there's something that you guys wanna see that I can't do. It's a way for me to expand my expertise. It's a way for me to do the things that I enjoy doing. And the best part about it is you, the viewers, get to see what you want to see. If you want me to do an abstract landscape with a portrait mixed in, throw it in the comments. I'm telling you right now, there is no limit to what you can do except your imagination. And I want to use this as a platform to give you guys what you want to see and still be able to flex my creative muscles and expand my knowledge base by doing something that I really enjoy. My issue with social media for a long time has been I don't want to be just a landscape photographer, just a portrait photographer. So by doing this, I think we could have a lot of fun, and I really look forward to your suggestions. So do me a favor, like the video, and for the first time, I absolutely need you guys to comment. Throw it down in the comments what you guys want to see. Side note, don't suggest anything ridiculous, you know, anything that's gonna get me canceled or that social media would flag or take down or find offensive. Because at the end of the day, if you're gonna use a suggestion on that, I'm probably just not gonna do it. So let's keep it respectable and I'll make sure it happens. Again, throw those comments down below because without you, this whole plan doesn't work. I appreciate the help and support. I love you, and I'll see you guys in the first challenge video. Let's do this, baby.